What's up, my BALM and subscriber squad? Hey, what's happening, guys? Welcome back. I want to say happy Good Friday, happy Easter to all of you guys. Y'all, I hope y'all had a great weekend. I did work for Easter yesterday, so that's what I was doing, but I was off Friday and Saturday, and I enjoyed myself with my family. Oh, it was amazing, guys. So that's how my Easter holiday went. I want to know all about what you guys did over the weekend. So y'all know we gonna chat about that. Today up on the platter, boo, we have March's. Yes, I said March. Slay Glam box. Y'all, okay, I ain't gonna even say nothing because, so if you guys want to see what's in March Slay Glam box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know all about your Easter egg hunts, boo. Okay, my loves, welcome, guys. I'm feeling amazing today. Today is actually a really good day. I woke up feeling good, and y'all, I'm telling you, my good days are great. And I haven't had too many bad days, so that's wonderful. It's always a plus, right? Yes. Today, guys, we have Slay Glam for the month of March. Now, I'm going to give Slay Glam a little pass because, you know, the owner had surgery, so the bags and stuff was held up and products were late, so we're going to give them a pass this month. But April box better be here soon. But after April, I decided to skip Slay Glam for 3 months. I'm going to take a break from this subscription and see what else they have out there. But I have been rocking with Slay Glams since she first released her first box. And I do like the subscription, but I want to try other subscriptions. So we're going to skip 3 months after April. So once I get this month's box, we're going to be skipping until I decide to resubscribe, if I decide to resubscribe. So yes, tell me how you guys feel about that. Tell me if you want and like to see Slay Glam unboxed on my channel. If so, after the 3 months, I'll pick them back up again. So yes, how y'all been doing? How y'all been feeling? Y'all had a great Easter and holiday. I hope y'all did. I hope y'all had seafood and cakes and pies and anything else that add weight to your quarantine weight, right? Yes, but it's a struggle for all of us. You know, since it was Easter, we did a little bit of red wine, you know, boo, because, you know, Jesus turned water into wine. Don't tell my mom I said that, okay? She'll kill me, y'all. Ooh, but let's take a dance break and a drink break. I'm feeling good today, guys, so please don't take offense to nothing that I say on this channel. If you have not done so already, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to your girl. Come on, be a part of this bomb-ass, crazy-ass family, boo. We want you over here, trust me. And while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up. And while you're quarantined, go on and watch some old videos because you're going to see, girl, TonyaNicole been cool, been rocking with y'all, right? Yes. We're going to get to the specs. And we're going to unbox it and we're going to be done, boo. But before we do that, I want to give a big, huge shout out as well as a toast to my first 5 commenters from Friday's Allure Beauty Box unboxing. I appreciate you guys greatly for waking up early, watching your girl, and you know to do, and commenting. Y'all know what it is. Thank you guys so much. Now, let's get on to the nitty gritty. Let me take a drink. So Slay Glam is $24 per month with free shipping. They offer an option of paying $5.95 for a priority 1 to 3 day shipping. If you wanted to add that, you get 5 to 7 beauty products each month. It's supposed to have a minimum value of $100. And they do allow you to customize on Instagram as well as by email. If you use the code TonyaSlays, you will get some coins off of your first box. So yeah, boo. Any other questions y'all got, just ask me in the comments, okay? Okay. So let's get it on and popping. So it came in this bag this month. It was not packaged in Slay Glam's normal packaging, so I'm not sure what happened with the box, but it came like this. And let me see if I have a cord, which we always get a cord. Let me see. It came packaged like this, guys, with this bubble wrap, but we ain't even got no cards. I can tell y'all what this box retails for. So I will look up all of the prices and put them down below and give you guys a grand total towards the end of the video. Okie dokie, let's go. So first up, I am seeing from CAILYN Cosmetics, and this is the Oh Wow Double Lip Pencil and Liquid Liner. Okay, this is what the outside packaging is looking like, my loves. And we're gonna open it up. It's got this plastic. And when you take it out of the plastic, this is what it looks like right here. And this side here has a black pencil right here. This is a pencil liner and eyeliner. Oh, the black is so pigmented. I like the pencil side. And then on the other side, we have a felt tip liquid liner, which looks like, ooh, nice and black. There we go. Very, very, very pretty. I do like this. I like that it's dual-sided. I do like this because not every day you want to wear a liquid. Not every day you want to wear a pencil. So guess what? You got a 2-in-1, boo. Yes. Next up from CAILYN Cosmetics, we have this Bright On Eye Balm. Okay. This is what the outside packaging looks like, guys. It's in this glass jar here. It doesn't have really a smell, but this is what it looks like when I took it out. It was not, it had no safety seal on it or anything. I am going to stick my finger in it. My nails are long. We're going to stick a brush in it. Let's take a brush. It's an eye balm. So I guess it would be used at night. I don't know. Oh, maybe it's like a primer, I guess. That's what the shade, that's what it looks like on my hands, y'all. So I'm going to say this could be an eye priming balm. I don't know how it would work with powder on top of it, but I will do more research and I'll put it down in the description box below. Okay, cool. If y'all know what an eye balm is, please let me know. Thank you. Next up from Ruby Make Cosmetics, we have this single eyeshadow in the shade Brick, and this is what the outside packaging is looking like. And I do know that Ruby May is not an expensive brand, so I'm not sure of how much this costs, but I'll put it down below for you guys. You know, this seems like a filler item for me, and that's the color. The shade is beautiful. It feels nice. Well, let me build it up a little bit more. It feels nice and, ooh, like satiny. That's the shade right there. It's pretty. That'll make a beautiful spring eye look. Yeah, okay. Oh, guys, for my eyeshadow today, this yellow, I'm using the Tarte's Pro Remix palette. I love this palette. Oh, my God. All right, let's take a dance break and a drink break. All right, ladies and gentlemen, up next we have a palette. And this is from CAILYN, and it's the Mysterious 2 Highlight Blush Bronzing Veil Face Palette. Oh, let me take it out the plastic. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like. Simply, simply beautiful. And, oh, girl, we got a mirror, boo. Hey, girl. And this is what the palette looks like, guys. It's pretty colors. I think, well, these are more like shimmery shades. What this is, a highlighting, let me see. Highlight, blush, and bronzing palette. So blush would be these two up here, which I definitely can't even do nothing with that. Bronzing would be this one here, and highlight would be, I guess, these three on the bottom, because this has shimmer in it. I don't know if you can bronze with that or not, but it's shimmery. So yeah, guys, this is a cute palette. I don't know how much use I personally would get out of this, but it would be cute for someone's skin tone, right? Yeah. And last up, my loves, we have from Glam Light, and this is a Calante 15 Luxury Eyeshadow Palette. Let me take it out of this because it's just so bright. Look at that, guys. The packaging is gorgeous. And let's see what it looked like. Ooh. Ooh, girl. Wait. Girl, we got a big mirror. Hey, boo. This is the palette right here. I love it. I love it. They have some pretty names like Sangria, Come on the Floor. I'm Selena, y'all. And Havana Nights, Mango, Mango Mommy. So let's swatch a couple of these and see what it looked like. We're going to do Come on the Floor because I think I'm Selena sometimes. Oh, and Carnival is beautiful. That's what they look like on my fingertips. Ooh, and that's how they swatched out, guys. Beautiful, huh? Yes. That was my final product in this month's box. Let's do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're going to be done, boo. So we got from Glam Light this eyeshadow palette here. From CAILYN this highlight, blushing, bronzing face palette here. CAILYN Cosmetics this eye balm primer, I think, here. From Ruby May this single eyeshadow here. And from CAILYN Cosmetics this dual-sided liner, pencil liner and liquid liner. So 5 products for this month. Final thoughts on this month's box. I do like the box. I'm most excited to try out this liquid pencil liner here. I am definitely excited to test out the palette, and I'll use these 4. I'll use these 4 products here. This one would probably be the only one that I won't be able to use. I do wish I had prices so that I could make a determining factor on my true rating of this box. But if once I look at the prices and I don't think that it's worth the $100 value, or I will let you guys know when I do my rating. I'll just change it on the screen. Okay, cool. So, yes, final thoughts on this box was I thought it was an okay box for this month. Well, for last month. This is March's box, guys. I do think that it was an okay box for this month. Y'all let me know what y'all think. If I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn Easter Bunny. To 5 being this box is thebalm.com. You know what I'm saying, boo. I'm going to give March's box a solid 2.5 to 3. I don't know. I think it's okay. So I'm going to give it a 2.5 to maybe 2.75 for the month of March. I do hope my April's box will be a little bit better. Yeah, but yes, guys, that's all that I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys had a marvelous holiday weekend. I hope you guys ate good, practice social distancing though. You know, you were able to maybe FaceTime or whatever you did with your families. I hope it was a wonderful, joyous occasion for you all. Don't forget, if you have not done so already, subscribe to your girl. Give this video a big old thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram. That's where I'm most active at, boo. And yeah, that's all I got for today. What y'all got? That's it? Me too. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video and in the comments down below. I love you guys dearly. Mwah! That big kiss is for all of my bomb-ass supportive subscribers. Bye, guys.